Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is today topic is map our grids, river and lakes. River and lakes. In the first chapter, we studies about a globe and its advantage. However, a globe also has many limitations. They are first carrying a globe is very difficult. Second, it occupies a lot of space. Third, detailed information cannot be shown on a globe. Fourth, it is not possible to see all the parts of the earth's surface at the same time. Map do not have these limitation. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of the earth on a flat surface. On one who prepares a map is called cartographer. Advantage of map: they give more specific and detailed information. They are easy to carry. They can be folded or rolled. A book containing map is called an atlas. Types of map: on the basis of information provided, map are classified into the following categories. Political map: a political map shows the boundaries of continent, countries, state and district. It also shows capital and important towns. Physical map: a physical map shows the physical feature like mountain, river, valleys, plains, plateaus, lakes and seas. Vegetation map: a vegetation map shows the type of the vegetation such as forest, grassland, trees, etc. and their distribution in an area. Population map: it shows the distribution of population at different places. Climatic map: such maps provide information about the temperature, rainfall and direction of the wind in an area. Language of map: map usually use color, sign and symbol to represent the various facts about the place. This is called the language of map. Color of a map: the following color are used to represent a physical map. Green, फॉरेस्ट एंड प्लेन. ग्रीन कलर शो करता है फॉरेस्ट और मैदान, जंगल और मैदान को. ब्लू, ओशियन, रिवर, सीज एंड लेक्स. नीला कलर शो करता है महासागर, नदियाँ, समुद्र एंड झील को. लाइट ब्राउन शो करता है प्लेटलेस को. डार्क ब्राउन शो करता है माउंटेन मतलब पहाड़ को. येलो, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड को येलो सहन करता. Sign and symbol: we find many convention sign and symbol on a map. We usually come across such sign when we travel. You might have seen the sign of railway line, bridge, dam, etc. Boundaries: international रेड कलर का है, स्टेट ग्रीन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ब्लू, रोड अनमेटल्ड, टाउन और विलेज. ब्रिज, stream, dam, well and tank. Railway, fort, temple, church, mosque, grants and church. Forest, post office, PO, telegraph office, TO, police station, PS. Scale of map: a actual size of a map cannot be shown a map. Therefore, a scale is used to represent the distance of a map. Everyone map indicates and scale. It is usually written in the corner of a map. Suppose the distance between two cities of 100 km. On the map, it is shown as a 1 centimeter. So the scale here is 1 centimeter बराबर 100 kilometer. In a short, we scale show the ratio between the distance on the map to the actual distance of the ground. Direction on a map: we know that north, south, east and west are the four major directions. It is easy find out direction on a map. The top of map is the north and the bottom of the map is the south. In the right lies the east and on the left lies and west. Between the major direction lies sub direction. The sub direction are: first, northeast between north and east. Second, southeast between south and east. Third, southwest between south and west. Fourth, northwest between north and west. So if we look at the map of India, we find that Jammu and Kashmir lies on the north, Kerala lies on the south, Rajasthan Pradesh in the east and Rajasthan lies in the west. Points to remember: Points to remember. Map represent the earth to or a part of earth on a flat surface. Second, different type of map provide different type of information. Third, sign symbol and color have specific meaning on a map. Fourth, scale is the ratio between the distance on a map to the actual distance on the ground. Thank you and Jai Hind. Like and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.